So, what's the date today? 23rd. May 23rd, and Elliot's starting to take some steps crawling. He's actually got it figured out. Come here, Bubba. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let me see you. There you go. Come on. Come on. There you go. Come on. Well, he was doing it earlier. Must have gotten tired. Elliot, come on, come to Mama. Hi. There you go, come on. There you go, there you go. Good job. That was a good step. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Come on, there you go. You're getting closer. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good job. Look at you moving your arms. Yay. Yay. Come on. Come on. Good job. Taking a break. Oh, battery low.